Hi, welcome to ScottyCast, where I'll interview famous people. I'll talk about famous events and special events, as well as sometimes complaints that I have about certain companies or people. Anyway, that's the introduction now. Hi, this is Scott Huddleston from ScottyCast, talking today about the problem with Amazon.se. I've been living in Sweden for quite a while now, and I have to say that Amazon.se is really not very reliable. I've had to return so many things to Amazon.se. So many things. It's almost absurd how many things I've had to give back to Amazon.se. It's an amazing amount of stuff that I've had to give back. I'm not kidding. I mean, when I was in the States and I had Amazon.com, or when I lived in the UK and Amazon.uk, everything was fine. But now, since I've been in Sweden, they have support people from all over the world. You never know who you're going to get. You can hardly understand them most of the time. And then you have to wait for a long time to get the stuff sent back.